This next video shows you how to edit your pages. We're going to edit the profile page. Edit this page. Here you see we've got 3 columns. We changed the layout to have 3 columns, one there, and one on the right with nothing in at the moment. This cog is how you change the settings. We're going to look to add a text box, so we could add it above or below the current block on the left hand side or in the middle. I'm going to add this one on the right hand side. So it's just loading the text box. Then we need to configure what we'd like in the text box. So I'm going to change the title so the reader knows what's in the text box. And this is a simple text box editor. So I'm going to write, I love kittens. And then we can change, like with Word, the type of font. We can edit the font. So I'm going to highlight that. I'd like it to be Comic Sans. I'd like to make it a bit bigger. I'd like to change the colour to blue, make it italic. You can also add an emotion face depending on what the content. If it's a serious bit of work you wouldn't do that, and you can also insert an image in there as well. Spell check, copy and paste from other areas. Add a table and add bullet points. Undo function is useful if you go wrong. You can also upload a file or upload an image, but this comes as an attachment. So if I wanted to add a picture from my profile page, this kitten image that I've already previously added, I could select that. This says this is attached. But this won't come as being able to see the image, it will just come as an attachment. So if I press save, we'll be able to see the text box but only the image as an attachment. So there's a better way of showing images, and that's with the image block. So I'm going to edit that. I want to remove my attachment, but I do want to add a Word file. So I'm going to upload a file, browse for my file, and here is a Word file that I want to add. This is shown that the Word file is now on my attachments. And then I'll press save. So we can see the block and see the attachments. We don't really want our page to look like a whole load of attachments, so we can use some of these other things to try and get our information on the page in a much better way than just a whole lot of attachments. So this is how you add a text box to your page. And this is particularly useful if you wanted to do an evaluation of your work. So you might write what went well, EBI, and then you can add an evaluation to your page so the teacher knows you're thinking about that. And that's how you add a text box. Your turn. What are you going to put in your text box?